my name is Louisa. I study strength and conditioning at the University of Central Lancashire in Preston. I live at Kopa and this is my room. So here's my bed, it's a double bed, and then I've got all my drawers, a huge desk and some shelving units. I'm going to show you my bathroom. So I've got an ensuite in my room. It's got a toilet, sink and shower. So in here is our kitchen and our living space. We've got a nice big sofa and coffee table here. And then round here we've got our kitchen, so we've got our fridge and freezer, all our cupboard space and a breakfast bar. So we're going to go outside now and I'm going to show you the rest that Kopa has to offer. So this is the garden area. We've got two big tables here. So this is the gym, this is where I spend a lot of my time. Down here we've got the rowing machines, then we've got the rest of the cardio equipment, the elliptical, the treadmills and the bikes. Down in that area we've got the strength machines. So this is the common room, we've got loads of social space, you can sit down, make new friends, we've got a huge TV, so that we have movie nights sometimes. We do other activities in here, like drawing, crafts, eating, and then around here we've got the pool table and the rest of the entertainment. So we've got loads of board games here, so we can play anything with our new friends on the tables over there. So this is the study room, this is where I like to do all my university work. There's loads of desks in here, plug sockets, TVs and a whiteboard if you've got group projects to do. For me, Kopa is in the perfect location, that's why I chose to live here. It's only 5 to 10 minutes away from all the university buildings, including the library. It's only a 15-minute walk away into the city centre that has all the restaurants, bars, clubs, shops, takeaways, everything you could need. If you can't be bothered to walk to the shops that are 15 minutes away, then we've got one attached to the Kopa building right outside on the front, so you can buy anything you need there.